Hitler's own economists provided him with accurate assessments of American industrial capacity. His military advisors warned him repeatedly that Germany could not match American production rates. His naval intelligence calculated that American shipyards could replace losses faster than U-boats could sink them. Every credible assessment that reached Hitler's desk told him the same thing. War with America was unwinnable. Hitler read these reports. He understood their conclusions. He ignored them completely. Did Hitler receive accurate warnings about American industry? Yes. Did Hitler believe those warnings? No. Did Hitler's disbelief change the mathematical reality? No. Hitler's contempt for democracy made him incapable of believing that democratic nations could mobilize industrial capacity effectively. He believed democracies were inherently weak, fractured by debate and divided by competing interests. American businessmen, in his view, would prioritize profit over patriotism. American workers would resist military discipline. American society would collapse under the strain of total war. Every warning about American industrial potential was filtered through this ideological conviction. When economists presented numbers showing American steel production exceeded German production, Hitler dismissed the data as incomplete or propaganda. When officers warned that American tank production would overwhelm German manufacturing, Hitler insisted German technical superiority would compensate. The warnings were not wrong. Hitler's interpretation of them was catastrophically wrong. Hitler ignored every warning because he could not believe that a democracy could be as efficient as a dictatorship. He was right about one thing. He could not believe it. If Hitler had believed the warnings about American industrial capacity, would he have pursued a different strategy? Or was his entire worldview too dependent on the belief in German superiority? Tell me in the comments.